Hello photography fans, welcome back to another LensVid review. Today we're taking a look at the IFootage Beava bags. Stick around and I'll tell you all about them. IFootage has released a number of innovative products over the years and they keep developing quality video gear and expanding their product line. Recently we reviewed a number of their new lights and now they're offering bags. We've been working with the IFootage Beava 35 and 50 backpacks and the 35 roller for a few months now, so let's see if IFootage was able to innovate on such a widespread product as a camera bag. The short answer to that question is, I think they could have done better. If anybody could set a new standard for camera bags, I believe it should be IFootage. And it's not like they didn't try to innovate. A tripod pocket in front, very innovative. Quick open clasps, innovative. A bit of a puzzle when you first try to open them, but innovative. Redesigned angle dividers, innovative. Layered height design, magnetic handles, plastic mesh pockets, all very innovative additions, but they don't fix the main problem with camera bags, which is organizing the accessories. I understand that bags need dividers to customize the space inside, but Velcro is just not the best way to do it. I don't see the need to reposition dividers constantly. In most use cases, you set up the space in the bag and you use it pretty consistently. You put everything back in the same places so that every time you open or close the bag, you have a visual checklist if anything's missing. So the divider system needs to be more robust. It's 2024. IFootage, please come up with a rail system or something that will actually stay in place when I carry my 15-kilogram backpack. And pockets, big accessory pockets or inserts that protect and organize peripherals. With that out of the way, the Beava is still a worthy competitor among other bags. So let's talk about what these bags will get you. All three are finished in a rugged vinyl exterior with weatherproof zippers. The backpacks feature adjustable harness back support with stabilizer straps and breathable padding. The smaller backpack comes with detachable waist support. The 35-liter backpack has been my daily use bag for a few months now. I switched to the Beava from a 19-liter backpack, and this one has definitely been spacious enough for all the gear that I need to carry.
1, 2, 3 cameras. This is the one I'm shooting on, with 3 lenses, some batteries, mics, 360 camera, accessories, flash, trigger and flash in the other pocket. Monitor and handle, other handles in the front pocket. Basically a pretty full bag. This weighs about 15 kilos. This is a big bag and it can get pretty heavy with all the stuff in it. And sadly, these handles weren't strong enough. We reported this to IFootage and they told us that they would fix this.
The shoulder straps are nicely padded and wide and the harness is comfortable even with all the weight. There's plenty of pocket space in the main compartment, on the side access, and in the computer compartment in the back. There's also a magnetic closure padded sleeve for a tablet in the back. The front of the Beava 35 is a big pocket with 2 zippers that is designed for a travel tripod. There's actually enough space here to carry other accessories that don't need bump protection. Alternatively, you could use this space or even the back compartment for clothes. The Beava 50 is more suited for travel rather than an everyday work bag. There's a large top section for clothes and a front pocket like the Beava 35, except this one isn't waterproof. The Beava 50 is actually a back loader. It has a sturdy metal frame, but it weighs less than 3.5 kilos. Because of the top section, the main compartment isn't very spacious. It comes with a divider insert that you can take out and use the entire bag for clothing or adventure gear.
The Beava 50 also has quick access from the side, but when you put this camera insert, it has its own door. It kind of defeats the purpose of having a quick access from the side, unless you want the double security, or you can just bend it back like this, and then you have your access from the side.
The roller bag is very interesting because it offers a different way of transporting gear. It's just as spacious as the Beava 35 backpack, but it offers more height. This bag is great for rigs since the height allows to leave all the accessories attached. There's enough space here for 2 full FX3 rigs side by side, plus the top level where you can hold batteries and monitors. There's a spacious double pocket on the side with an organizer compartment. retractable handles, and a nicely padded shoulder strap. The wheels are cushioned with a lightweight rubber compound, and there's a telescoping T-handle to roll the bag.
These handles are usually the first thing to go on a piece of luggage. And this one, I have my doubts about it. But I don't think you would use this bag as a roller, because if all you're carrying is a couple of rigs in it, it's not very heavy. The rollers and suitcase handle pass-through, they kind of make it look like a travel bag, but I'm not entirely sure that this would be considered hand luggage.
In all, this is a great looking bag, and it definitely looks more professional than a backpack. It's like a doctor coming to operate. But it's more of an additional bag for production days. Not sure if it's ideal for everyday use, especially since there's no laptop section here. In conclusion, the new IFootage bags are as always an example of good quality and innovative thinking. They aren't perfect, and we hope that IFootage fixes the handles like they promised, but they're definitely on the right track here. As for pricing, the Beava 35 and the larger 50 both cost $250, and the Beava Roller sells for $320. And that is it for our look at the IFootage Beava bags. Go check out the full review on our website at LensVid.com. Subscribe to this channel and come back for more videos. We'll see you in the next one.
Bloopers. There's another bag in here somewhere, right?
One of these days I'm going to publish my collection of photographers' tongue twisters. Here's another one, a tripod pocket in front. Tripod pocket in front. Some Beava bags. IFootage Beava bags. Heavy duty IFootage Beava.
Subscribe.